How to use Wise Card with Samsung Pay. This article covers where you can use the Wise Card with Samsung Pay, how to set it up, and limits. For general information about how to use Samsung Pay, visit the Samsung support website. Where does the Wise Card work with Samsung Pay? You can use Samsung Pay in the US, and for residents of the US or Japan using our MasterCard, you can use it in the UK. To add your Wise Card to Samsung Pay, open the Samsung Pay app, click the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, click Add Payment Card, either scan your card or enter the details manually. Verify the card with an SMS code. After you add your card to Samsung Pay, you might see a small charge on your account. This is just to check that your card works, and it will be released back soon. If you're having trouble adding your card to Samsung Pay, read article about it on wise.com. So what are the limits for Samsung Pay, like money transfers? The normal limits for using the Wise Card also apply when Samsung Pay, where you're using it. You can check them on our website. Some merchants might also apply the contactless limit. In the UK is like £30.